Legacy systems cost companies $40,000 every year just to maintain. But most companies avoid modernizing their out-of-support IBM Informix database because they think it means ripping, replacing, and rebuilding from scratch. It doesn't. HCL Informix is the next evolution of the high-performance multi-model database already trusted by more than 3,500 companies. Rebuilt for hybrid, edge, and cloud-native environments, without the ripping and replacing. It's fast, processing over 2 million transactions per second with built-in streaming and a tiny footprint for rapid deployment. It's reliable, with always-on availability, native replication, and built-in encryption for data at rest and in motion. And it's massively scalable, supporting SQL, JSON, time series, and spatial data in a single engine, capable of storing up to half a yottabyte. That's 4 times the estimated size of the entire internet. HCL Informix integrates with the frameworks, APIs, and drivers your teams already use. It runs anywhere in the cloud on AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, Red Hat OpenShift, or on-prem with no vendor lock-in. Modernize without disruption. Keep what works. Evolve what's next. Sign up for a free HCL Informix modernization workshop today.